Man, I'm finna try this FZ150 out, this round one right here. I got some other cleaner that I'm gonna use on some of these, like maybe them. So these are my round one victims. And what I got here is Shoe Magic. I guess that's what they're supposed to make great kicks, or shoe makes great kicks. I got some of this stuff, which I'm gonna be kind of selective. I might use these on the forces. And then got some brushes. Of course, I got a toothbrush. You know we got some down. So I can save myself 150 bucks. I got some FZ150. End result of the first session. 10 pairs. All right, so round two. And it's going smooth. I'm kind of digging that FZ150, okay? Round two. So 20 for 20. I'm done for the day. I ain't gonna get this far behind no more. Probably still got another 20 or so to go to clean. But you clean them after each wear, put them up, and they'll stay clean for the longest. That's how a lot of the pairs I got that's falling apart on me now are still as fresh as they are.